Okay, welcome everybody. Today we will be doing the Module 1 in Excel. Today we're actually going to be doing a project from Excel 2013. Um, the difference between the two versions is very minimal, but we'll be using um, module from Microsoft Excel 2013. But we'll be doing it in Microsoft Excel 2016. So in this chapter, we're going to be creating a worksheet and a chart. You will also learn how to describe the Excel worksheet, enter text and numbers, use the sum button to sum a range of cells, enter a simple function, copy the contents of a cell to a range of cells using the fill handle, apply cell styles, format cells in a worksheet, create a 3D pie chart, change a worksheet name and a worksheet tab color, change document properties, preview and print a worksheet, use the auto calculate area to display statistics, and correct errors on a worksheet. So almost any organization collects vast amounts of data. Often data is consolidated into a summary so that people in the organization better understand the meaning of the data. An Excel worksheet like this one allows data to be summarized and charted easily. We're going to be creating a chart, and a chart conveys a visual representation of that data. So in this chapter, you will create a worksheet that includes a chart. The data in the worksheet and chart includes data for personal budget worksheet that contains monthly estimates and budget amounts. So an example of this would be here. So you can see that we've got a personal budget worksheet. So it's showing the wages that this person makes, any dividends they receive from stocks. They also have rent expenses, food expenses, tuition. So it looks like they're going to college of some sort. Books, entertainment, car payment, gas, and miscellaneous. And then we're also going to calculate the net income, meaning it's the income, total income minus the total expenses. And then we're also going to create a pie chart like this one, and it shows the different types of expenses laid out. So it shows that rent is 27% of their total expenses, food is another 20%, and so on. So we'll be doing one of those as well. Okay, so the first step in creating a worksheet, an effective worksheet, is to make sure that you understand what's required. So the person requesting the worksheet should supply the requirements in a requirements document. So it could be a needs statement, source of data, summary of calculations, or any other special requirements. So the needs for this worksheet are a yearly projection of Bob Gleeman's personal budget. The source of data includes monthly estimates, including incomes and expenses. We're going to be creating calculations such as a total for incomes and expenses, a total for each item, a total for all expenses and incomes, and a net formula with net income, which equals income minus expenses. So to create a brand new Excel workbook, you're going to go to Microsoft Excel and press File New. And then we will go ahead and get started.